What's up, guys? Now here is the M18 metal earphone from none other than HOCO. Yes, none other than HOCO. Wow, I'm really very much liking this earbuds. Let me do the unboxing of it. Okay. Wow, it's a really very nice color. Wow. I am impressed. When I say I am impressed, then I really mean that I am impressed. Grab this one from the link below. This is not the earbuds or the close earbud. This is similar to the iPod or the new iPhone, whatever you gonna call it. I really like the cable. It comes with an amazing, awesome switch for the volume rocker, for the call cancel button, as I can show you here. So at the end of the day, can I recommend this one? I can easily recommend, to be honest with you. I really don't see a problem with it. Yeah, I can easily recommend it. This is a really very sexy looking, to be honest with you, earphone to be using in your ear. Can I recommend it? Definitely yes. Check out the links in the description box below. It was me, none other than your only Jimmy a Geek. Subscribe and bye.